Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my amazing artists. Let's create a drawing about our wonderful sun and applying cool and warm colors on it. This is the step-by-step on how to create this. And let's say basmalah. First thing first, please write down your name and class behind the paper. Now we are going to make this sketch approximately 1/3 of your paper, 1/3, this one. Let's create a wavy line. Doesn't have to be exactly like that. We'd like to see some variety, because variety is another principles of art. Now make the sun like that, and the sun ray divide into 3 segments like this. 1, 2, 3. Each segments divide again into 3 sections like this. Finish with the sketch. Now it's time to color. For the sky and the sun, we are going to use the warm color tone. Red, orange, and yellow. It's up to you. The bottom part, which is the sea, we are going to use this, the cool colors tone. Blue, purple, and green. This is primary blue, ultramarine. Color it good, evenly, inside the lines, and no white spots. This is the last step. When you have finished coloring like this, it's time to redraw each lines. Redraw and make it pop up one more time, all the way through. And you have finished. Let's say hamdallah. Have a wonderful time at home. Stay safe and healthy. Bye-bye.